Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to delete downloaded videos from YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete the downloaded videos from YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And over here, guys, you will be able to spot the downloads button available for us. Tap on the downloads button over here just below your videos, and all of the downloaded videos you had downloaded on YouTube will be over here. Now in order to delete the downloaded videos, simply tap on the three dotted icon available for us at the right side of each video, and you can see the delete from downloads video. Or if you tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the delete all downloads button. If you tap on the delete all downloads button, guys, all of the videos you downloaded on YouTube will be deleted at once. And with that being said, guys, this is how you'll be able to delete the downloaded videos on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.